A fresh start in a new city. English story. New city, new house, new everything. Before we continue, I want to say something quickly. We work really hard to create stories like this to help you learn English naturally, but only about 8% of people watching are subscribed, and the remaining 90+% are not subscribed yet. If you enjoy stories like this, please consider subscribing. It really helps us continue making more.
Hi there. You must be the new neighbor.
Oh, yes, I just arrived this morning.
Welcome. I'm Dave. I live right next door.
Nice to meet you, Dave. I'm Daisy.
That's a beautiful name. Are you moving here alone?
Yes, I got a new job here, so new city, new house, new everything.
That's a big change.
It really is. I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
That's completely normal. When I moved here 3 years ago, I felt the same way.
Really? You seem so comfortable here.
It just takes time. And good neighbors help. Do you need help carrying anything?
Actually, yes. That big box looks heavier than I expected.
We're having a small neighborhood gathering this Saturday evening. Nothing fancy, just food and conversation. You should come.
I don't know anyone.
Exactly. That's why it's perfect.
Okay, I'll try to come. What if I don't make friends here? What if I made a mistake moving? I miss home already. Maybe Saturday won't be so bad.
This cafe looks so inviting. Ah, what a peaceful place.
Good morning. Welcome. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. I can tell. I remember every face in this cafe. I'm Sofia. Nice to meet you. I'm Daisy. I just moved here yesterday. Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. That's exciting. Where did you move from? From Manchester. That's quite far. You must miss your family. I do. Everything feels unfamiliar right now. That feeling doesn't last forever, I promise. You've moved before? Yes, 5 years ago. I didn't know a single person here. Now, this cafe feels like my second home. That's inspiring. What can I get you? A cappuccino, please. Are you still coming Saturday? I'm thinking about it. You should. I'll be there too. That helps.
Can I ask, what made you move here?
I wanted a fresh start. My old job wasn't making me happy. I felt stuck.
That takes courage.
Or maybe it's just fear of staying the same.
Sometimes change is scary, but staying unhappy is scarier.
You're very positive.
Not always, but I've learned that new beginnings are opportunities.
Daisy, you came! I almost didn't. I'm really glad you did. I stood outside for 5 minutes before coming in. That's normal. New places can feel intimidating. I was afraid I would feel out of place. And now I feel more relaxed. See, sometimes the hardest part is just showing up. I didn't expect to enjoy this so much. Sometimes our fears are louder than reality. Thank you for encouraging me to come. I'm glad you're here. Me too. Good morning, Sofia. The usual cappuccino? Yes, please. You look different today. Different? More relaxed. I feel different. I'm starting to feel like I belong here. That didn't take long. It took kindness and friendly people. That's what neighbors are for. See? 1 week ago, everything felt strange. And now it feels familiar. That's how a place becomes home. I'm really glad I moved here. I think this city is glad you moved here again. Maybe this is my fresh start after all.